So, I'm in Sölden now, and really shortly I will be crossing the Timmelsjoch. I will keep this video short because I'm planning to eat soon. Pasta. So I thought pasta would be a good idea before I will cross Italy. This is a nice place. Just wanted to share. Really looking forward to climbing and seeing what happens when I'm running there. See what I come across. So yeah, almost in Italy. It's weird to leave Austria, and I thought better to eat now because I probably will arrive late. So yeah, do it now. Have power for the mountain, and then I will be in a cozy little place just across the top. So, see you later. And yes, I'm already in Italy.